Shamba Shape Up Safari.
Hello and welcome to Shamba Shape Up.
We are in Olerian in Kajiado County.
We are about to meet a very hard-working family who could definitely do with a shape up.
So let's go meet them. Isaac's family use firewood to cook. Isaac, your mother's kitchen is very smoky. Yeah? What does she use for cooking?
She uses firewood.
And where do you get the firewood?
She gets the firewood by cutting the trees around here.
So you cut trees, and is that a good thing?
It's not really a good thing. It's just because we have no alternative.
Dominic from Biogas International has come to give them a great alternative to cutting trees. So what is the solution for Isaac here?
Biogas is the solution. Biogas will completely replace all the firewood used at a domestic level in the typical rural homestead. Oh,
that's amazing. So like you're saying, like it actually cuts down on wood.
Well, actually it replaces firewood completely.
Breathing smoke is extremely dangerous. It is the #1 cause of death in women and children in the world. So how does biogas work?
Biogas is very simple. It's actually a natural phenomenon, and it's basically all you do is you put anything that's biodegradable into a sealed container, and it will rot or ferment, and in the process it gives off gases. One of the gases that we want is called methane, and it's flammable. We've developed a system we call Flexi Biogas. It is far more affordable than the conventional systems.
So let's set it up. It is easy to build the system. Experts will help you. The ground is leveled and the system is put together in a few hours. A Flexi Biogas system acts like a stomach. Organic matter like animal dung or food waste is put in one side. The system is covered like a greenhouse. The heat from the greenhouse speeds up the process. A gas is created which is piped directly into the stove. After it is installed, the system will begin to pump gas to your stove within 8 to 10 days. The organic matter turns into fertilizer and comes out on the other end. This fertilizer can be used on the shamba. A Flexi Biogas system will last up to 10 years. Another benefit, it will get rid of all the flies.
Flexi Biogas systems will run on any biodegradable matter. So you can run them on chicken poop, you can run them on rabbit poop, pig poop. You can cut the grass and feed it into the system. You can run them on water hyacinth, mathenge, that invasive weed up in northern Kenya. Right. So anything that would be considered an invasive, unwanted crop can be converted back into fertilizer just by feeding it through a biogas digester. You only need one cow to give you all the gas you need for a homestead of about 5 to 6 member family. The traditional African lady has been collecting firewood from the age of 5 all the way to shosho, grandmother, great-grandmother. Once they have biogas, they get a bit startled in the beginning because they've suddenly got all this free time on their hands. They then join into women groups and they then get into other income-generating activities. Women are the backbone of any economy.
That's right.
Give them energy, and you've given them the world. You know, the sky is the limit.
Yeah, we would like you to come again.
What do you promise us when we come here?
We promise you that when you come back, we will have improved much more.
Good.
Yes, and it's been another great show here on
Shamba Shape Up.